What's up you guys, my name's Caleb. Today we are going to be doing a cooking video. I'm making ranch potatoes and steak for dinner. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully I could put the recipe in so you guys can follow as well.
Before anything, make sure put your potatoes in bowls so you can wash them, or you can let them sit in there. But I would recommend washing them because they're very dirty. And then after you're done letting them sit and after you've been mixing them around, you want to also then start pouring them into a strainer so you can get them so you can pour all the water out. Then after that, you want to get water and wash all over them. Just, add extra little hint of spice to it. You gotta add that little thing even if it doesn't really do much. Just gotta make sure it's extra clean. Then after, you're gonna fill up a bowl with water. Reason why is because we're gonna start to grab the potatoes and then we're gonna cut. Grab a knife. Don't do what I'm doing. It's stupid what I'm doing. I'm cutting with my hands. I prefer a chopping board, but all my chopping boards are dirty and I don't have room on the counter. So I recommend getting a chop board. Don't be dumb like me. And plop them right in. After that, you mix them around, make sure they're all clean. See how dirty that is? Clean them up. But also, you want to get them in cold water so they don't also bruise or get brown, so it's still somewhat fresh. Then after that, you want to get your strainer. Then you want to put all the potatoes in the strainer so all the water's gone. Then after that, start laying a paper towel on the counter. Just so that's where you're going to put your potatoes at. And you start pouring your potatoes, and don't be like me making a mess. Put all the potatoes somewhat in an even layer, hopefully more better than I did. Then after, you want to spread them out, and then after you do that, I keep saying after, oh my god. After that, you are going to put another layer of paper towel over it, because then you want to dry it out. Make sure there's no water, because oil doesn't stick with water. So you want to try your best to let it dry, whatever. In the meantime, I'm going to get this paper towel, I'm going to dry the bowl, because it's wet. See, very clean. Clean it everywhere. You look at it, it's very clean. Now after that, you want to grab the potatoes, make sure they're all somewhat dry. It's fine if they're a little wet. Then you want to put them in the bowl. Once they're all in the bowl, you want to put it to the side, then do it again with the potatoes you have to the side, unless you already did all of them. So repeating the same process. Gotta pat, make them dry. Then throw them into the bowl. Once they're all in the bowl, put it to the side. You want to get your ranch seasoning. This is the seasoning I was using, or I am using. Then also you want to get butter, a whole block of butter. And then also a measuring cup, because you're going to need that. Unless you want to just use a regular bowl or a cup to put the butter in so you can put it in the microwave. I don't know what that thing was. Anyway. Then you want to get a pan. Yes, it's dirty, a little bit dirty. Don't mind it. I'm not professional. Get some tin foil. Then you wanna, grab it. Grab it. Yes, and then pull it out. Make a good even length so it covers the whole pan. Then you wanna also cover the whole pan. You wanna do what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it, but just cover the pan so everything's covered, because you don't want the pan itself to be fully dirty, but also you want to keep the potatoes clean. Saves you extra time and work. Then get your butter and you want to put it in the measuring cup. See, once you got your butter, you just want to plop it in like this. Plop. And then you're good. Then you want to go to your microwave, open that, and then also you want to put it in. Sorry for my dirty microwave, don't mind it, I'm a human too. Yes, cinematic butter shot. Look, it's so beautiful. That's how yours should look. Then you want to close your microwave. you want to put 30 seconds, and then if you want another 30 seconds or even more to a minute. You don't want to burn your butter. Then you want to start. Then after you open it, and voila, you got oil, butter, pop. You got oil, you got butter. It looks like popcorn butter. You can pour it on popcorn if you want or something, but no, you pour this on the potatoes. See, it's not burnt. You want to mix it around, be all professional. And then what I did, I put half in a bowl so it's easier to mix. Put a little bit of butter all around so I can mix this half, sort of like sections. And then I'm gonna grab the seasoning, I'm gonna rip it open, and then after I'm done ripping it open, I'm gonna pour it on there. Not all, because we only have half of a segment of the potatoes. You don't want to do all because it'll be messy and a lot more harder to mix all of them. Then you want to mix. Keep mixing. So much butter, so much mixing. Keep mixing. Don't stop. See all that butter? You want to keep mixing and make sure it's all marinated in there. Don't want to miss. Then add some more potatoes. Grab your butter. Then with your butter, you want to put some more butter on the potatoes. You want to drench it, drown it. Yes, pour it all on, not all like I did, because they have so much at the bottom of the bowl. And then you want to put more ranch, not all of it, but more ranch. Then after you're done pouring, yes, show it to the camera. We are going to mix it. We're gonna mix all the way to the bottom. You want to swirl it, don't matter. Do whatever you can to mix it. However your mixing style is, do it. I'm just doing the grab and twirl, grab and twist. Then after, it should look somewhat like this. If yours doesn't look like this, you did it wrong. It should be covered. Then you want to put it all on the plate. You want to put your extra potatoes that you have and put it all on there, and then you want to spread them out somewhat evenly because they want to be cooked evenly through, I guess. Then after all somewhat layered like that, you want to put some more ranch because ranch is just so good. You can never have enough of it. So don't judge me. You'll see why. If you make this too, you will like the ranch. Maybe. But anyway, this is for fatsos like me. See, look at my, oh, it's so good. Yes, so good. Then go to your oven, bake, and then put 425. Then you want to start. Let it heat up. Then you want to open it and then you want to make sure it's heated up at the right temperature. Then you want to put your potatoes in because you want to have them cooked, right? You want to have them baked. So you want to put them in, make sure they're somewhat evenly in there. And then you want to close it out there. You want to close it. Then you want to get more butter after it's done cooking. Because, this is somewhat, it's not really done. So I need to put in some more because, it wasn't fully cooked through. So I want to add more butter because look at it. It looks dry as heck. But look, we got more butter. Yes, this is a different butter, but more butter. This is going to make you very gassy by the time you're done. Like, you're going to be eating it and you're going to be very gassy. But it's a very good food. It's very probably not good for you in like health-wise, but it's very good. Then you want to get butter and get more ranch. Because ranch, once again, you can never have enough. You need that ranch. So you want to get that ranch so it doesn't look so dry. Like most people nowadays. More ranch. You gotta keep adding, man. You gotta have that effort. You gotta be that extra. You gotta have that. And when it's all done, ooh, look at this. Put it in the oven for a little bit longer, and ooh, look at it. See, it should look like this, like a golden caramelized cover. Then you wanna look at it. You could ask, you look at it. You can add cinematic shots to it like I did. It should be very soft. Be able to stick your fork in it and it should fall off. And if it doesn't, it's not good enough. It should be very chewy and not hard. Then also, if you want to add some cheese, be like me, pour it on. Because it adds extra flavor. Sorry for the people that can't have dairy. Here's my steak. Sorry I didn't get the shot of cooking the steak. It was raining outside. But look at this juicy steak. This is how your steak should be. This is a medium cooked steak. If you like it, you should do it. It's very juicy, very good. I got this steak from Costco. You can also do it yourself at home. But look how good and nice and juicy this steak is. Ooh, let's get a closer shot. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the other half, and now look at this one. You want to see the juice? Ooh, look at this juice. Ooh, yes, your steak should look like this. If it's dry, you overcooked it. Unless you like that. Thank you for watching.